Want to link your email to Temu for better updates and security? Here's how to do it fast and easy. First, open the Temu app or open Temu's website on your browser. Now log into your account and tap on the account icon at the top right corner to go to your profile. Scroll down until you see account security option and tap on it. Look for the option labeled email and tap on add or edit if you are changing it. Now type in the email address you want to link and tap send verification code. Check your inbox for a code from Temu. Enter it back in the app and hit verify. Your email is now connected to your Temu account. This helps with login recovery, order updates, and promo notification. Use an email you access regularly to avoid missing out on important updates or discounts. Let me know, have you linked your email yet? And don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.